Hey guys, in this video I would like to show you the best 5 cordless drill combo kit. I hope you like this video. So let's start. Number 1, DEWALT 20 volts max cordless drill combo kit. 2 tool, DCK240C2. Yellow, black drill driver, impact combo kit. About this item, the DCD771 cordless drill combination kit has the following features. Transmission has 2 speeds, 0 to 450 and 0-1500 RPM. Cordless tools combination set with DCD771 high-performance motor produces 300 unit watts out. UWO of power, finishing a wide range of applications. The drill impact driver combo kit DCD771 is compact and lightweight, making it ideal for tight spaces. The DCD771 and a 1/2-inch single sleeve ratcheting chuck ensures a secure grip on the bit. Ergonomic handle DCD771 provides comfort and control. DCF885 is a compact, 5.55-inch front to rear, and lightweight, 2.8-pound, design that fits into small spaces. One-handed loading DCF885 1-inch bit tips fit in a 1/4-inch hex chuck. The DCF885 has a 3 LED light ring with a 20-second delay for visibility without shadows. Number 2, CRAFTSMAN V20 * cordless drill combo kit. 2 tool, CMCK200C2. About this item, CMCD700. Strong motor. Delivers 280 UWO of torque for tough drilling and riveting jobs. CMCD700. Speed. 2-speed gearbox with speeds ranging from 0 to 350 RPM to 0-1500 RPM for application speed. CMCF800. Max torque. Delivers 1460 lbs of torque at 2800 RPM and 3100 BPM for heavy-duty fastening applications. Easy bit change. CMCF800 one-handed bit changing with a drop and load feature. Better visibility. For better visibility, each units have an LED light. Compact formula. Working in tight locations is made easier and more pleasant with compact designs and contoured over molded handles. Number 3, Porter Cable 20 volts max cordless drill combo kit. Brushless, 2 tool, PCCK619L2. About this item, a PCCK607 20 volts brushless drill driver and a PCCK647 20 volts brushless impact driver are included in the Porter Cable PCCK619L2 20 volts 2 tool brushless combo kit. Brushless motors offer a 50% increase in runtime. The 1/2-inch drill driver features a powerful 370 UO motor for heavy-duty applications with minimal stall, as well as a 2-speed transmission with 450/1/800 RPM for drilling and fastening applications. You can switch from drilling to fastening mode without losing your clutch setting with the mode collar. The 1/4-inch impact driver motor produces 1400 lb of torque for large fastening applications, and the transmission produces 2700 maximum RPMs for fastening speed. For one-handed bit changes, 1/4 quick change hex is ideal. These 2 tools are both compact and lightweight, making them ideal for working in tight spaces. 1. PCCK607 brushless drill driver. 1. PCCK647 brushless impact driver. 2. 1.5 Ah batteries, and 1 charger are included. Number 4, BLACK+DECKER 20 volts max cordless drill combo kit. 4 tool, BD4KITCDCRL. About this item: a drill, driver, a circular saw, a reciprocating saw, and a work light are included in the BLACK+DECKER BD4 KITCDCRL 20 volts max combo kit. The BLACK+DECKER 20 volts max battery system includes this combo kit, which is compatible with the entire BLACK+DECKER 20 volt max line of power and gardening tools. The drill driver has an 11-position clutch to prevent stripping screws and harming the work surface, as well as an LED work light to illuminate the work area and a 0 to 650 revolutions per minute keyless chuck. It has a tiny, lightweight design that makes it easy to use in constrained situations. The circular saw has a 5.5 blade, a high torque motor, tool-free depth of cut and bevel adjustment, and a compact design that makes it easy to operate. The reciprocating saw has a 3000 SPM motor, a 7/8 stroke length, and no tool blade changes. The work light is a versatile, bright light that emits up to 70 lumens and lasts up to 11 hours. A 20 volts lithium battery powers the articulating LED bulb. For no downtime, this kit includes two 20V max batteries. BLACK+DECKER offers a 2-year limited warranty. 1 LDX 120 drill, driver. 1 BDCC's 20 circular saw. 1 BDCR 20 reciprocating saw. 1 BDCF 20 work light. 2 LBXR 20 volts max batteries. 1 battery charger. 1 double-ended bit. 1 5.5 circular saw blade. 1 reciprocating saw blade. 2 LBXR 20 volt. Number 5 Bosch Power Tools Combo Kit CLPK 22 to 12 volt cordless tool set. Drill, driver and impact driver. With 2 batteries, charger and case. Blue. About this item: a powerful 12-volt drill driver with up to 1300 RPM and a 12-volt driver with up to 2600 RPM are included in this Bosch drill kit. Compact. The PS31-2A drill driver's lightweight design is perfect for overhead operations and confined places, while the PS41-2A impact driver features variable speed precision, a light body, and a short head length. Control and visibility. The Bosch cordless drill is easy to maneuver in tight, confined spaces, and 3 integrated LED lights positioned around the driver's head ensure great performance in dim lighting. Durability. The drill impact driver combination kit is durable and small, with a lightweight construction. It comes with a 3-year warranty. Convenient. 12 volts max 3/8-inch drill driver, PS31-2A, 12V max impact driver, PS41-2A. 2 batteries, 30-minute recharge, and soft carrying case are included in the drill kit. If want to more update and pricing about this product, please check in description.